Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is 顿顿说中文，我是顿顿。As you can see in the title, today we are gonna talk most questions related to the things that you do. For example, what are you doing? 你在做什么？ What are you gonna do? 你要做什么？ What do you want to do? 你想做什么？ But as usual, before we start our topic, I am gonna ask you a few questions to test you. So let's talk. Let's start. First question today is 今天星期几 In my case, 今天星期天。Second question, 你家有几口人 In my case, 我家有9口人，爸爸妈妈2个姐姐2个姐夫2个外甥女和我。Third question, 你在哪儿 We just learned that in our last video. In my case, 我在房间里我在房间里。Question 4, 昨天几月几号昨天几月几号 I need to check that one. Okay, so in my place, 今天4月3号 So 昨天 will be 4月2号 Question 5, 现在几点 In my case, 现在下午2点23分现在下午2点23分 Now it's your turn to answer these questions. It's okay if you don't understand what they mean. See the picture I posted here? I give you the translation of these questions. So you can pause here a little bit, then try to answer these questions by yourself. Question 1. 今天星期几 Question 2. 你家有几口人 Question 3. 你在哪儿 Question 4. 昨天几月几号 Question 5. 现在几点 It's time for us to start our topic today. These are the sentences we're gonna learn today. First one, 你在做什么What are you doing? Second one, 你要做什么 What are you gonna do? Third one, 你想做什么 What do you want to do? And the last one is 你将来想做什么 What do you want to do or like what do you want to be in the future? Now sentence 1, 你在做什么 What are you doing? I think it's a question that we use a lot. Whether it's we post the question or we have to answer the question because when we chat with our friends or our family, we use that a lot. It's what are you doing? 你在做什么 So the answer will be 我在 Then add the things that you are doing currently. So I post a picture here. I wrote down some actions that we might be doing. So see the first one. 吃饭 We learned that before. So I'm gonna ask you now. 你吃饭了吗 Did you eat already? Like for me, 我吃了 I just ate my lunch. So how about you? 你吃饭了吗 Okay. Second one. 喝水 喝 is drink. 水 is water. So 喝水 drink water. Third one. 睡觉 sleep. I think this word we already learned that in my video of my daily life. So the first one, 看书 reading 看书 and the fifth one, 听歌 listen to music. And sixth one, 游泳 swimming. I literally just learned how to swim like a couple months ago. So I'm not like very good at it, but I hope I can practice better. So now let's put them in the sentence and to practice a little bit. I'm posting the question 你在做什么 I'm gonna answer that first. For me, 我在录视频 or 我在拍视频 because currently I'm recording a video and if we put those actions in this sentence, we can answer like for example, 我在吃饭 I'm eating. 我在喝水 I'm drinking the water. 我在睡觉 I'm sleeping. 我在看书 I'm reading. 我在听歌 I'm listening to music. 我在游泳 I'm swimming. Sentence 2, 你要做什么 In our last video, we learned 你要去哪 Where are you gonna go? So 你要做什么 is what are you gonna do? And the answer will be 我要 then add the things that you are gonna do. I also post a picture in which I wrote down the actions that we might gonna do. For example, first one, I think we learned that before. 上厕所 being use the bathroom. And second one, 刷牙 brush my teeth. And the third one, 跳舞 dance. Okay, now first one, 唱歌 and 唱歌 means singing. Also, I'm not good singer, but I quite enjoy singing, especially when I am showering. 我在洗澡的时候 because I just really like the echo of the bathroom. So yeah, I don't know if you guys feel the same. Tell me if you feel the same. And next one, 画画 painting, drawing. Also, I like painting, but I won't say I'm very good at painting. You will know later. And the last one, 做饭 is cook. Alright, I talked too much. Now let's put these actions into the sentence to practice. Okay, I'm posting a question. 你要做什么? What are you gonna do? Answer will be 我要上厕所 I am gonna go to the bathroom. And 我要刷牙 I am gonna brush my teeth. 我要跳舞 I'm gonna dance. 我要唱歌 I'm gonna sing. 我要画画 I'm gonna go draw a little bit. 我要做饭 I'm gonna go to cook. Sentence 3, 你想做什么 What do you want to do? 你想做什么想 In our last video, I already said 想 means want. So 你想做什么 What do you want to do? The answer will be 我想 Then add the things that you want to do. Also, I wrote down some actions, so now let's put them into the sentence and practice a little bit. The first one, 写字 is writing characters, 写字 writing. Now, the second one, 玩手机 We learned that in my video of my daily life is play with the phones, play the phones. And 拖地 mop the floor. And 洗碗 wash the dishes. And 运动 work out. And 洗衣服 doing the laundry. 衣服 see 洗衣服 it's 3 characters, right? 洗 it's wash because we learn 洗脸 wash my face. 洗手 wash my hands. So 洗 is wash. 衣服 is clothes. So 洗衣服 do the laundry, wash the clothes. Now it's time to put them in real sentence. For example, 你想做什么 What do you want to do? First one, 我想写字 I want to write. 我想玩手机 I want to play the phone. 我想拖地 I want to mop the floor. 我想洗碗 I want to wash the dishes. 我想运动 I want to do a little bit workout. 我想洗衣服 I want to do the laundry. So in my case, now if you ask me 你想做什么 I probably will answer you 我想 拖地 I want to mop the floor. Maybe I will do it later. 我要拖地 You can say I want to. I can say 我想拖地我要拖地 I want to mop the floor. So I am gonna mop the floor later. Okay, sentence 4. 你将来想做什么 I just put like it's a little bit different from the sentence we had before. 你想做什么 What do you want to do? But now 你将来想做什么将来 in Chinese means future. So 你将来想做什么 What do you want to do or what do you want to be in the future? So when people ask these kind of questions to you, like what kind of a job you're going to choose in the future, the answer will be 我将来想做 Then add the occupation that you want to have in the future. So now see this page. I post some. I wrote down some occupation. Now let's see page 1. It's 老师 teacher, 律师 lawyer, 歌手 singer. I don't know who I am gonna be, but definitely not a singer. I'm not good singer. And 医生 doctor, and influencer 网红 and 主持人 host. Now page 2. 记者 reporter, 工程师 engineer, 建筑师 architect, 厨师 cook, 画家 painter, 运动员 athlete. Page 3. Dentist 牙医司机 driver, 警察 police, 企业家 entrepreneur, 理发师 a barber, 化妆师 a dresser. See, these are only 3 pages of occupation, but there are like thousands occupations in the world. You can choose whatever you want to be. For me, it's my 2nd year of postgraduate. I still didn't figure out what occupation that I'm gonna have, but I think that's okay. I just, take the time. Maybe one day I will find out. I want to tell you the same. If you are not clear what job you want to have in the future, that's okay, because you got a lifelong time to decide what do you want to do, and you can change whenever you want. So yeah, that's okay. I think I talked too far away from our topic. Now let's do a little bit review about 3 pages of occupations. And first page, 老师 teacher, 律师 lawyer, 歌手 singer, 医生 doctor, 网红 influencer, 主持人 host. Page 2. 记者 reporter, 工程师 engineer, 建筑师 architect, 厨师 cook, 画家 painter or artist, 运动员 athlete, 牙医 dentist, 司机 driver, 警察 police, 企业家 entrepreneur, 理发师 barber, 化妆师 dresser. Okay, now let's pick some of them to put in the sentence and practice a little bit. Question post. 你将来想做什么？我将来想做老师。I want to be a teacher. 我将来想做主持人。I want to be a host. 我将来想做歌手。I want to be a singer. 我将来想做医生。I want to be a doctor. Now let's do a quick quiz about what we learned today. First one. 你在做什么？ What are you doing? Okay, my answer to that will be 我在 拍视频 I'm recording a video. Then 你要做什么 What are you gonna do when you finish watching my video? 你要做什么 In my case, 我要拖地 I'm gonna go to mop the floor. And third one, 你想做什么？你想做什么 What do you want to do now? 你想做什么 Like for me, I don't know, maybe 我想出去和朋友玩 I want to go out and play with my friends because coronavirus, I stayed at home for too long time and I kind of want to go back to school, but I can't. 我想去学校 I want to go to school. And last one, 你将来想做什么 What do you want to be in the future? 你将来想做什么 In my case, I might say, I don't know, maybe 可能是老师 teacher, I don't know. 我不知道 Who do you want to be? 你将来想做什么 You can answer to that question. That's okay if you haven't thought out who do you want to be in the future. You can just say 我不知道 Okay, now let's try to answer these questions one more time. 你在做什么 What are you doing? Okay. 你要做什么 What are you gonna do? 你想做什么 What do you want to do? 你将来想做什么 What do you want to do in the future? Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you are interested in more videos about Chinese learning, or if you have any advice or question for me, you are welcome to leave a message below. Again, this is 顿顿说中文，我是顿顿，我们下次再见 ，See you next time.